What's up, y'all? This is your boy KP from the KP and GenoJ show, and this video is about theft and vandalization. You may ask yourself, why is this video about that? Let me tell you why. The reason is, one of our subs just gave me a call and told me one of our properties has just been vandalized. So let's go in here and see what's going on the inside. Let's go see. Alright, as soon as I come in here, I see that they've taken this off the air handler. Alright, can't really tell. I see they cut some copper up off the line set. Not sure to what extent of the damage up there is. I have to get a ladder. Probably where they came in at. Just broke the window. This is from the first time. We just boarded it up. They decided to come next to it. Everything else appears to be just fine. So, from the looks of it, they came in, they knew exactly what they wanted. And telltale signs that we were replacing the AC is a new line set on the outside. That's the copper tubing that goes outside. Once a theft or a vandal sees that, they pretty much know it's a furnace or air handler or something going on the inside that holds some type of value. And with this case, they decided to come in the back window. And I guess they brought just ladders or something to go up into the attic and take out that air handler. So, yeah, it sucks, but for my expertise, I know that this could have been a lot worse. So, my advice to other investors or people that may want to get into real estate is just prepare for certain losses. Like, you can mentally prepare for it and physically by actually getting insurance, but there's just some things that are out of your control, and it sucks that in these up and coming neighborhoods that vandals and thieves love to prey on people that's actually beautifying the neighborhood, that's bringing up everybody's property value. Like, this home here sits between two vacant homes. So by us remodeling this home and bringing it up to code, it really helps everyone in the neighborhood out. But some people don't see it like that. And it's not good, because say if my grandma lived in this neighborhood, I would be happy that people were remodeling and bringing her value up. Because if these houses have been sitting vacant for years, I mean, it's only hurting my grandma's value if she lived in this neighborhood. So I want everybody that's watching this video to always just understand that these vandals and thieves, they're going to hit you no matter what neighborhood you're in. So, I mean, we have houses in $500,000 communities be vandalized. We had houses in $200,000 communities that have been vandalized. So it's not just the neighborhood, it's just a crime of opportunity. So vandals and thieves love these type of properties and opportunities. So with that being said, I'm pretty happy with the amount of damage that's been done compared to what could have been. And things are easy fixing. Thank God for insurance, right? Well, again, I'm KP from the KP and GenoJ show, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hold up. Please click the like button, subscribe, and comment underneath this video for more content. And in the next video or two of this property, you're going to see the finished product. New air handler and all.